Hello and welcome to today's English Listening Practice Podcast. My name is Anna, and I'm happy to join you again. Today's topic is very special and very common. Going to school. Whether you're a student now or just want to remember your school days. This story will help you practice daily English with easy, clear sentences. So, let's begin our day. Are you ready? Calendar morning routine. It's Monday morning. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. The sun is rising. The birds are singing. I sit up and stretch my arms. Then, I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I take a shower. I come back to my room and wear my school uniform. A white shirt and a navy blue skirt. I brush my hair and tie it into a ponytail. I look in the mirror and smile. Now I'm ready for school. Fork and knife with plate, breakfast time. Before I leave, I have breakfast. My mom gives me 2 parathas and a glass of milk. I say, "Thank you, Mom." I eat quickly because I don't want to be late. I also check my school bag. Books, notebooks, water bottle, lunch box, yes, everything is there. Woman walking to school. At 7:30 a.m., I leave home. My school is not too far, so I walk. Some days, I go with my friend Nisha. Today, I see her at the corner. She waves and says, "Good morning, Anna." I say, "Good morning, Nisha. Let's go." We talk about homework and our favorite teachers. The road is quiet. It's a nice walk. Reaching school. At 7:50 a.m., we reach the school gate. The bell rings. We go inside and walk to our classroom. Our teacher is already there. We say, "Good morning, ma'am." She smiles and says, "Good morning, class. Please sit down." We take our seats and open our books. Now, the day of learning begins. Books. Let's learn some easy words. Let's pause here and learn a few useful words. Uniform, clothes students wear at school. Ponytail, a hairstyle where hair is tied at the back. Homework, schoolwork to do at home. Notebooks, books used for writing. Bell, the sound to start or end a class. Repeat these words aloud. Practice makes progress. Open book. Subjects in school. Today is Monday. We have 4 classes. 1. English. 2. Math. 3. Science. 4. Social studies. In English class, we read a short story. Our teacher asks, "What did you learn from this story?" I raise my hand and answer. In math class, we learn about multiplication. It's a little tricky, but I try my best. In science, we talk about plants and their parts. And in social studies, we learn about our state and its history. Time goes fast when you're learning something new. Bento lunch break. At 12:30, the bell rings again. It's lunch break. I go outside with Nisha. We sit under a tree and open our lunch boxes. I have rice and vegetables. Nisha has sandwiches. We eat, talk, and laugh. Other students play in the playground. It's a happy time. Sponge last period and going home. After lunch, we have one more class, art. We draw and color. I draw a house with trees and birds. The teacher says, "Very nice work, Anna." At 2 p.m., the final bell rings. We pack our bags and leave the classroom. We say goodbye to our teacher and our friends. I walk home again with Nisha. Headphone. Now it's your turn, speaking practice. I will now ask you some simple questions. Pause and answer in English after each question. 1. What time do you wake up for school? 2. What do you eat for breakfast? 3. How do you go to school, by bus, walk, or something else? 4. What subjects do you like the most? 5. What do you do during lunch break? Great job. Keep answering questions every day. It helps you become confident in English. Blossom. My final thoughts. School is not just a place to study. It's a place where we learn how to speak, listen, read, write, think, and grow. We also make friends, share ideas, and create beautiful memories. Even after school ends, the lessons stay with us forever. So, whether you're a student or someone who just loves learning, remember, every day is a new chance to grow. Memo quick recap. In this episode, we talked about morning routine before school, how to describe your school day, easy English vocabulary, how to answer everyday questions, folded hands. Thank you for spending time with me today. If you liked this episode, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It helps me make more easy English podcasts just for you. Keep learning, keep smiling, and don't forget, learning is a lifelong journey. See you next time. Bye bye.